How to use Hobby Lobby Curbside Pickup. So as of 2026, Hobby Lobby does not offer a native curbside pickup or in-store pickup service for order placed directly through their website. All orders are made on hobbylobby.com or an app and are shipped directly to a customer's address. Now, you could also use Instacart. This is most direct way of getting Hobby Lobby item without entering the store. So you could use the Instacart website or an app to select the Hobby Lobby store nearby. You could choose pickup option at a checkout instead of delivery as well, and follow the instructions in the Instacart app to alert the shopper when you have arrived at a designated pickup as well. And some drivers or delivery service allow you to buy the item through their platform or coordinate at a pickup as well. And you can contact your local Hobby Lobby to confirm that they allow third-party courier pickup for order that may have been coordinated by phone or specialized business account. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.